Who's in charge?
Well, we're 3 different agencies right now.
You know what? I'm going to go live on YouTube and send this to San Joaquin Valley Transparency.
Hey.
Stop shining your light.
We're getting soaked out here. We got to talk to, make sure both of you are okay. Man, we're getting absolutely drenched.
That's not my problem. She just said she don't have no marks on her. I didn't touch her.
How old's the stepson?
You're dismissed.
How old's the stepson?
You're dismissed. Yeah.
Chris.
I'm going to send this to San Joaquin Valley. I got a YouTube channel. Chris. You sons of bitches know me.
Chris, are you and Emily okay?
We're okay. You just heard her.
Okay.
You just heard her. You're dismissed. Get the fuck off my property.
3 agencies get called to Christopher Landrum's house because of a dispute that he's having with his girlfriend. The Dearborn County Sheriff's Department, the Indiana State Police, and the Aurora, Indiana Police Department. It's pouring rain outside, and all 3 of these cops get super soaked by the heavens above. Christopher Landrum is an avid watcher of our YouTube channel. He did tell me over the phone that he did learn a lot of his rights from watching our videos. So the next time cops want to be idiots and ask you where you got your law degree, tell them you got them from San Joaquin Valley Transparency. And don't forget to let them know that that's exactly where you're going to send your videos. This officer, trooper, and deputy are all going to do the Soggy Walk of Shame, the first ever Soggy Walk of Shame, and it's absolutely beautiful to watch. So let's go ahead and check out this exclusive video that you won't see anywhere else. I'll see you at the end of my final thoughts.
Hey, come back here, fellas. Hang on. Verbal. Verbal. Okay. Name and badge number.
Stone King 9471. Where's the other part of the party?
Babe. Come on out, babe. Axel. Bus. Babe.
What do you want, Chris? I don't want anything to fucking do with you or them. What do you want?
Hey, Chris. Put the dog in the sock. Can we stand under the awning?
No, you can't come into my house. Come here.
Inside the house.
I'm
stand on the back porch with you?
Yeah. Will you let me get my dog?
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely.
You asked me for my wife.
Yeah, but let's I don't want to get big. And your dog seems kind of aggressive.
Charlie.
You're okay, Charlie. You're okay.
Axel. Come on. Come on. He's not leaving my side.
Charlie? Is that his name? Is he friendly? Is he going to bite us? We're getting soaked out here. We got to talk to, make sure both of you are okay. You know what I mean?
Babe, they need to know that I ain't put my hands on you. They need to know that it... Charlie's not leaving my sight, so you need to come out here.
What do you want?
Chris, what happened?
Verbal.
Just verbal?
Just verbal.
Okay.
Just yelling and cussing.
What's her name?
Emily.
Are you familiar with Emily?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just verbal.
Did you call or did Emily call?
Nobody called.
Someone called.
I don't know who the fuck called, but I want a FOIA request.
Well, Chris, I need to make sure that Emily's okay. Okay? So she's coming out here.
We don't know who called either. So.
I get it. Exigent circumstances.
No, you're good, man.
Babe.
What do you want from me?
They need to see that you're okay. They need to
up for you.
No, they need to see that I haven't
For
put my
what?
that I
Doesn't
have
mean it ain't gonna fucking happen when they fucking leave. Why do you think I'm not?
You just need to come out there. Show
And
him.
then what? They're gonna see I ain't got no fucking marks on me. They're gonna leave, and then what, Chris? Then what's gonna happen? You not?
It's gonna be done, but you
kick me out.
you need to come out here and tell them.
No, the fuck I don't. I ain't gonna do shit.
If you don't come out, I'm going to invite them in. Come out.
Do what?
You need to come out.
Do what?
You need to come out and tell them.
And then what?
I'm going to let it go. We're not going to argue no more.
You ain't fucking let it go.
Folks, I almost forgot to remind you guys to go subscribe to his channel. If you guys have videos that you want us to look at, copy your links and send them to recordpolicenow@gmail.com. We'll take a look at your videos, give us as much information as possible. Let's get right back to it.
Come out and tell them. Come out. Babe, if you don't come out, if you don't come out, if you don't come out.
Really? Now you want to fucking play?
No, I want you to just come out and tell them the truth. Did I put my hands on you? No.
Do you?
Will you come out and... All right.
You don't want me to come out there. I guarantee you that.
I do.
No, the fuck you don't.
Yeah, I do. Yeah.
Man, we're getting absolutely drenched.
That's
Is
not
she-
my
is she
problem.
intoxicated?
Yeah,
Okay.
she is.
She's just stubborn when she's drunk? Or-
Yeah,
Got
she
it.
is.
Okay.
Don't. Stop. Stop shining your light. What's your name and badge number?
My name is Sergeant Pendergast, 15-6.
Okay, stop shining. You're violating my Fourth Amendment right by...
Now, folks, let's keep in mind that Chris was a little tipsy at the time. He kept mixing up the First Amendment with the Fourth Amendment, but that shit didn't stop him from flexing his rights. He knew exactly what he needed to do or what not to do. He sure as hell did not let them in. Keep watching.
We got called here by 911, man.
I don't
We need to
care.
investigate.
You're
We're required
investigating.
to investigate.
You're investigating.
Yep, we are investigating.
Okay, but you're hindering my Fourth Amendment by shining your light in my camera.
I'm sorry you feel that way.
Oh no, that's a Fourth Amendment violation right there. I'm gonna send this to San. You know what? I'm gonna go live on YouTube and send this to San Joaquin Valley Transparency. Stop shining your light. You're hindering my Fourth Amendment.
Check on everyone in the house. We got a 911 call.
You ain't. You got a 911 call of a verbal argument. Who's in charge? Who's in charge?
Well, we're three different agencies right now.
Okay, but he's violating my Fourth Amendment right. Motherfucker. You're violating my Fourth Amendment. You're hindering my right to video.
All right.
Stop with your fucking phone.
I need to be able to see.
I need to be able to...
Hey, Chris, please. Please.
Talk to the Aurora officer.
Please,
Yeah.
brother.
Chris.
I'm going to send this to San Joaquin Valley. I got a YouTube channel. You sons of bitches know me.
Talk to the
Fuck you.
Chris.
Fuck you.
Hey,
Talk to the officer.
Fuck you. Get that flashlight. You're violating my Fourth Amendment. You're violating my Fourth Amendment. You're hindering my right to video.
Emily.
Chris, talk to me, okay? So, you're...
Step foot in here, I dare you.
Chris, listen to me. Listen to me. Is your stepson here?
I'm sorry?
Is your stepson here?
Yeah.
Okay. Your stepson is the one who called it in. So,
My stepson.
yes. So I need to talk to him. And I need to talk to your wife.
Where's Trent?
Where do you think
Well,
fucking left? Because he's tired of your fucking drunken, stupid ass fucking bullshit.
oh, you're drunk, so you need to come out here.
I ain't doing shit for you, Chris. You literally just kicked me out. Stole my purse. Took the
I didn't steal shit. I gave your purse back.
Fuck you.
Emily, the police.
Will you step out and you talk to us?
No, I'm not gonna talk. I don't have any fucking marks on me. I'm not gonna talk to you. No, I don't have any.
You hear that?
I can't hear you with the dog barking.
I don't have any marks on me, but I'm not coming out there to talk to you because then that whole shit, as soon as you leave, that shit's gonna blow the fuck up. So no.
It's not gonna blow up. No, I promise you, it's not. She just said she don't have no marks on her. I didn't touch her.
How old's the stepson?
You're dismissed.
How old's the stepson?
You're dismissed. She just told you there was no marks on her, that there was no physical. You're dismissed. You're dismissed, Sergeant.
Chris, listen to me.
Fuck you. You're dismissed.
Hey,
You're dismissed.
Chris,
You're dismissed.
hey,
You're
the
dismissed.
911 caller's inside. We gotta talk to him.
No, he's not. He left.
He did leave?
Yeah. He fucking left.
How old is he?
Ask him.
I can't. He left, man.
Then go find him.
Okay.
But he left.
Chris, are you and Emily okay?
We're okay. You just heard her.
Okay.
You just heard her. You're dismissed. Get the fuck off my property.
Okay.
Fuck off my property. What's your name and badge number again,
I
Sarge?
already gave it to you once.
What?
I already gave it to you once. You got it on
Give it to
recording.
me again.
I don't have to. I already
Yeah,
gave it
you
to you
do.
once.
It's your policy.
No.
Fuck you. Yeah, it is.
All right.
You're hindering my right to fucking record by shining that flashlight.
I'm trying to see for my safety.
I don't give a fuck. I'm trying to record via my First Amendment. What's your name and badge
I
number,
already gave it to
officer?
you. I already gave it to you.
Give it to me again.
Are we done here?
Give it to me again, Sheriff. What's your name and badge number, you bitch? You punk bitch. Go fuck yourself.
Alright folks, here are my final thoughts. These cops should have never been called over a verbal dispute between Chris and his girlfriend. There was never any violence or a physical altercation. And as soon as the cops heard that, they should have skedaddled. But they stood there to try to make something out of nothing, and that's why they got soaked. I guess they did this to themselves. Folks, if you don't know your rights, you don't have any rights. That's the bottom line here. Christopher Landrum knew his rights. He knew not to let the cops in. He knew he didn't have to. If you give cops an inch, they'll take a mile. And if you give them a minute, they'll take all the overtime they can get. And if you give them a boot, they'll stomp on you, then take it off and beg for donations. And if you want to call me crazy, I'll just call you blind. But I do want to be honest about one thing about this video. The only cop that seemed to try to de-escalate the situation was the Aurora police officer, Abner. Christopher Landrum has my email and phone number. He can easily get a hold of me when cops try to mess with him. He has before. He did it just now. And he will do it again in the future if he needs to. Cops really need to know that we the people are watching and we're going to hold them accountable. One thing you guys have to understand is that you should be recording any and all police interactions that you have. I know that some of them have body cams and they'll tell you, oh, you don't need to record, we have body cams. But you really don't want to go through hoops and bounds just to get the video evidence that you need. They'll delete anything that makes them look bad. I truly hope that everything works out for Chris and his girlfriend, whether they stay together or separate. We should be happy in this life, folks, and we don't need to be around people that we're not happy with. If somebody goes around calling you a bitch, then leave his ass. If a girl is going around cheating on you, don't call her a bitch. Just leave her ass. Now, I'm not saying that's what happened in this video. I'm just saying a lot of you guys deal with this type of stuff. Chris is a good dude. He has a YouTube channel. He has a pretty sick motorcycle. He cooks every now and then, but he also uploads his police interactions. So make sure you guys go subscribe and hit the bell. And with that being said, I want to thank you all for tuning in. Before we let you guys go, we're going to give you the First Amendment of the Constitution. You have a freedom of speech, press, religion, assembly, and petition. And in the Fourth Amendment, you have the right to be secure in your persons, papers, effects, and your homes. Folks, it's important that you guys know your rights, because if you don't know your rights, you don't have any rights. And I gotta tell you something. The cops, they are gonna do everything in their power to try to coerce you and make believe that you have to just comply. Do not do it. If the cops have to stand out there in the rain, let this video be proof of what I'm talking about. I'm gonna be dropping Chris's original channel link in the description and in the pinned comment. Make sure you guys go say hello. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.